So I'm back down in Sun Moon Studio and I've added a few new pieces to the board. This new floral, and look, my little bumblebee has some wings. The flowers are 3D. I don't know if you can see the glitter in some of the centers. Here's a dragonfly with some cone flowers. And then I added this solo sunflower with a little mason jar and just sort of rearranged. So come on down to Sun Moon Studio and check out my art as well as many new artists. Look, it goes both ways. Oh, there I am again. And check out the schedule of classes.